Dreambaby's adhesive mag lock is out of sight, out of mind. It's a convenient way to keep cabinets and drawers secure from curious toddlers without being too difficult for adults. Dreambaby's adhesive mag lock cannot be seen from the outside, so it's invisible to your children, and it requires the special magnetic mag lock key to open. Simply place the key over the lock to open it, and it locks automatically when the cabinet is closed. The adhesive mag lock is so easy to use and install with no drilling required. It can easily be deactivated if you choose to have it unlocked for a period of time, and the Easy Check indicator will let you confirm if the mag lock is engaged or disengaged. It's also important to keep dangerous chemicals and sharp objects high out of the reach of children. Remember, always keep the mag lock key safely hidden.